What is going on? Thank you for clicking on the video. This is a property tour of a 5-level side split, which is in Oshawa. It is in the Vanier area, which is really close to the 401 GO station, and then also the Oshawa Center. That's another big draw to the area. Trent University, they do have their remote campus here also. So yeah, this area has a lot going for it. These side splits are very unique layouts, and they're just layouts that seem to go on and on and on. And that's what I like about them so much. My name is Brad Goetz, and I am a local realtor here within the Durham region. I have lived here since 2012, so I've become very accustomed to the area, but I also know what it's like to move to a new area. Being born and raised in Brampton, I did come to Durham from out of town, just like a lot of other people that are doing that now. So yeah, it's a very dead-end street here. So it's dead-end street right now. They do have an application here to create a new lot, so they would build something here. There's more information on the website there. Kind of wanted to get that idea. But it's a really nice, quiet street. And it's a 5-level side split. It is 536 Seville. That's the area. Tons of parking on the driveway. Single car garage. And as it is right now, just an empty lot right there, which is really nice. So let's go in here and we can check this out. We will do the backyard after. So you come in and you're on level number 1. And it has a closet, which you kind of get right there. You do have access to the single car garage. So you could fit a vehicle in here easily. And then hopefully I didn't get locked in. Yeah, you got a little storage here also. Right. Let's see. Yeah, you go into the main level. This is the basement door. Go down into the basement. This is the living room, and then you have a 2-piece powder room right here. Hello, thank you for tuning in again. Brad Goetz. If you are looking to move here and you need that help, all you have to do is call, text, email, send the carrier pigeon, whatever is easiest for you. And I'm just here to make everything go so much easier. Also, if you're enjoying it so far, subscribe to the channel and like the video. If you have any questions, drop it in the comments below also. So yeah, we will drawn into the back room. So again, this is off of the flat level from when you come in from the front area. You do have a wood burning fireplace, which most homes don't have them anymore, but it's just nice that they have it here. So you put TV above the wall, TV here, and do what you like. So that's the front door. And then you have like steps here going up to level. This is 1, so that's level 2. Before we go up to venture to level 2, let's just go check out the backyard. Great size lot. Yeah, they don't make lots like these anymore. Spaciousness of it. And then we have one deck here, or one. It's locked. Just different storage sheds. And then you do have an access to the side there, and then you have another access point up there. And then one thing I noticed was you actually have like a little balcony there also. So tons of balconies and different access points to get out, which is good for the outdoor enthusiasts. Okay, so again, we're back in level 1. We'll go up to level 2. So we'll go to here, which has the kitchen area. Very bright. You do have tons of windows. This is one of the doors to get out. So yeah, lots of cupboards. Lots of light. The lighting above there, you don't see much of that anymore, but it does add light to the kitchen. And then you have a dining room, and then a family room, a living room. I kind of always get confused with the rooms and what they'd be called, but Yeah, that just overlooks the front. And there are 8-foot ceilings on this level. And then it does have a chair lift also. So let's go up to level number 3, which has 3 bedrooms and a bathroom. So yeah, we will start with the primary bedroom. So it has a king size bed and dresser and mirror. And then just different storage areas. You have your closet here, more storage, and then there's a desk area. And the balcony here, right outside. Most people have a pool. That's nice. Make friends with them and maybe they'll let you use the pool. But yeah, it overlooks the backyard. And it's private. You can't get up here unless you come out through the bedroom. Hello again. And then here is the 4-piece bathroom. So that's piece 1. Piece 2 is the bathroom. There's a toilet. And then piece 3 would be the tub. Piece 4 is the actual shower. So yeah, just go over here. And again, that's the bathroom. It's bedroom number 2. So it's a queen size bed. And you do have closets here also. And this overlooks the front. We go bedroom number 3. That's a double bed. And you got your little closet there also. If you are interested in viewing this home or any other homes, do not have an agent, feel free, you can reach out. My contact information is easily accessible. So we will go down now. So we are going into, we'll work our way to the basement. So we've gone on level 1, which we are at now. Level 2 is here. Level 3 was up at the top. So we'll call this level 4, which is actually level -1. And yeah, another wood burning fireplace. And another sitting area. There's a window, but it's closed right now. So we can open this, get some more light in. There you go. Makes a nice difference. And then you got the little bar area. And then this here is the lower level. We'll go there after, which would be level 5 or level -2. This is the +1 bedroom. So yeah, the bedroom itself, it's a decent size. You could fit a queen size bed in here. And it does have a closet also. And it has a very big window, which is good. And you get a view of the pump or the air conditioner. Nice barbecue setup over there also. So let's go down. This is the utility area. So you do have a little stand-in shower, toilet. So there's a 3-piece bathroom here. Laundry machines are here, washer and dryer. Hot water tank is over there. You do have this piece, which is a dehumidifier. So what this does is it takes moisture out of the basements. Basements in the winter are typically dry, but in the summer when you have air conditioner going, basements are a little damper. So that's kind of where it's good to have this in. It helps take the moisture out and just prevents stuff from getting damp and moldy and all that other stuff you don't necessarily want. It is a lower headroom here. So if you're tall like me, you're just going to want to duck a little bit. Here's the furnace. The furnace is in really good shape. It's a newer furnace. You got the white pipe, so it's current code, all that fun stuff. And you do have a humidifier. So with the humidifier, which is here, and the dehumidifier, which I just explained to you, you have humidity control in the home, which will help everything just operate as it should with your home. Yeah, so that is the tour. I hope you enjoy it. Quick recap, it's a 5-level side split, and it's located in the Vanier area within Oshawa. And it's just strong demand because you're close to Trent University remote campus. And then You are also close to the Oshawa Center, and then Stevenson 401 has a whole bunch of shopping there also. And yeah, you're close to the GO station, so if you are commuting, everything is accessible. Transit is also easily accessible here as well, and that's another draw. So if you're an investor looking for something, transit accessibility is very important. And the house is it's a very well-maintained home. You can tell the people living here have lived here for a long time, and they've taken care of it. And it's a really good layout. I hope you enjoyed the tour. My name is Brad Goetz, and I absolutely love doing these videos for people. So if you are looking to move here and you don't have an agent, all you have to do is call, text, email, send the carrier pigeon, whatever's easiest for you. And I'm just here to make everything go so much easier. If you've enjoyed it, subscribe to the channel also. Also like the video, helps me know people are enjoying what I'm putting out there. Thanks for watching, and until next time.